Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of tutorials on puzzles for interview. So the first puzzle in the series is burning rope puzzle. So let us read the problem first. Try to solve it on your own and wait for a few minutes. If you are not able to solve the problem, start the video again and see the solution. So the question is, a man has two ropes of varying thickness. So it means you can draw two ropes like this, and the first condition is that these two ropes are not identical and they are not the same density nor the same length nor the same width. This is rope A and this is rope B, and each rope burns in 60 minutes. So let us write here 60 minutes, and this also burns in 60 minutes. So if you put fire here, it will completely burn in 60 minutes. If you start fire from here, this rope will completely burn in 60 minutes. And one person actually want to measure 45 minutes. So the question is, how can he measure 45 minutes using only these two ropes? So there are some conditions, like he cannot cut the one rope in half because the ropes are non-homogeneous and he cannot be sure how long it will burn, right? So you might think that if we divide this rope in two equal parts, it might take 30 minutes and other might take 30 minutes. But that is not true actually, because the ropes are of non-homogeneous material. So how to approach this problem? We can try solving this problem using some inputs, like if we start burning this rope from here, it will take 60 minutes, and after that if we start burning this rope, it will again take 60 minutes. So that is actually 120 minutes or 2 hours, you can say. But we have to measure less than 60 minutes. So if it start burning from here and it takes 45 minutes till here, so that is the only time we have to measure. But how will you identify that 45 minutes have already gone? So we have to think something out of box and come up with some solution. So what can we do? So let us think again that if we burn this rope A from both the sides, then it will take 30 minutes to burn whole rope. Is it clear? So if at the same time you start burning this rope from both the ends, that is also going to take 30 minutes to burn whole rope, right? But still 15 minutes are left. So this cannot be the way, right? So the correct solution of this problem is burn rope A from both sides. Second step is burn rope B from one side only, right? So when you start burning rope A and B together, and you burnt rope A from both the sides, that means it was burnt completely in 30 minutes. And you burnt rope B from only one side, so it also took 30 minutes. So as of now you can understand the rope B was burnt till this place maybe, and it took 30 minutes. So if you leave this row in this situation, in current situation, it will take 30 more minutes, right? 30 minutes more. Is it correct? So at this point of time, we have to measure only 15 minutes, but this rope will take 30 minutes. So at this point, you have to think it like you can do the same thing what you did to rope A initially. So this rope was burning at this place and you started fire at this place. So what you can do, when 30 minutes have already gone, fire the rope from other end also. Now it will double the speed and rest of the rope will burn only in 15 minutes, right? So third step, fired the rope B from other end also after 30 minutes. And when are these 30 minutes? When rope A burns completely. So this is how we have solved this problem, and we achieved our aim of measuring 45 minutes using these two ropes only, right? So I hope this puzzle is clear to you. We will try to solve next puzzle in next video. Till then, if you have any doubt or query regarding this, you can write in the comments or present your views in the comments. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.